Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing good and staying safe. A warm welcome back to our channel. Some of you have commented that you want to know about SRM University Masters in Public Health program. In this video, I'll be discussing in detail. If you are a student who is interested in Masters in Public Health program at SRM University, watch this video till the end. It will be helpful for you. So what can you expect from this video? In this video, I'll be talking about eligibility criteria for MPH at SRM. What is their selection procedure? What is the fee structure for Masters in Public Health at SRM? How many seats are there for Masters in Public Health? Regarding placement for Masters in Public Health students at SRM, what are the special advantages of Masters in Public Health at SRM? Like if you study MPH in SRM, what are the advantages? All this I am going to talk in this video. Most of you know about SRM University, Tamil Nadu. This is their grading. It's a well-renowned, eminent university with a beautiful campus. If you want to know further details about SRM University, this is their official website. You can visit this. Admission process for MPH at SRM is very simple. This is their website. You have to visit this website. You have to enter all your details correctly, apply to that website and take a printout of that application. See, like people who are working in government sector also can apply, but there is one separate proper channel you should apply through. Like you have to send all your attested photocopies of all the certificates to the dean, SRM dean. SRM dean's mail ID is mentioned in their official website. You can visit that. Coming to SRM Masters in Public Health selection procedure, there will be a test, like they'll assess the students' aptitude, domain skills, subject knowledge, like how much knowledge you have in preventive and social medicine. After that, they'll have an interview. Admission to the program would be based on selection test scores and your previous academic records. What do they mean by previous academic records? Your UG, like 4-year, 5-year, 3-year overall percentage will be there, right? Based on that also your selection procedure will be dependent. And relevant work experience, suppose if you have a public health work experience, kindly submit that work experience certificate also. Admission is purely merit based on individual's performance. Results of the selection test will be intimated to the students personally. See, many students, like they'll be checking their official website, but results will be intimated to you through your personal mail ID which you have submitted. So keep checking your mail ID. Coming to eligibility criteria for MPH at SRM, graduates in MBBS, Ayush, Engineering, Pharmacy, Physiotherapy, Occupational Therapy, Dentistry, Nursing and Veterinary Sciences can apply. See, even arts and science students also can apply. Candidates with experience in public health are encouraged to apply. I told you, right, it will be an advantage. But please don't think that experience is mandatory. Experience is not mandatory. If you have experience, kindly submit it. Coming to Masters in Public Health at SRM, it's a 2-year program which consists of 4 semesters. Every year intake of Masters in Public Health students are 50 students they take for Masters in Public Health every year. Coming to placements, most awaited question by many students, do they have placement cell? Yes, they have placement cell. The School of Public Health has placement cell attached to it. The cell is tied up with NGOs, private companies, medical consultancies and other prospective agencies that would not only provide employment assistance but also help during their internship phase. You will have your internship in 4th semester, right? It will be helpful for you and your mentor will be guiding in placements and your internship also. See, total fee per 2 years program, it's around 2 lakh. See, this is only college fee. Per each semester you have to pay additionally examination fee, and hostel fee is entirely different. They have SRM hostel also, it's different. I have mentioned only fee for college. I hope it's clear for you. Coming to what are the advantages of studying Masters in Public Health at SRM, like you'll have in 3rd semesters like specialization courses like healthcare management, all that. You'll have your internship in 4th semesters. In every college also you'll have internship. See, but their internship is like through unique mentorship model. Each student is assigned one mentor. Like the role of mentor is he or she will be guiding not only through your professional, he'll be guiding through all your PG, like in your internship, in your placement, like in your research project, everything they'll be guiding. This is like a special advantage of studying in SRM. This is their official website. You can visit their website for further more information. All the information what I have mentioned in this video is completely from SRM website. See, this is my Insta ID. If you are interested in all the public health updates and PSM, if you are a student who is interested and loves PSM, preventive and social medicine, I'll be posting all the content related to public health and preventive and social medicine, and some updates regarding masters in public health and PhD in public health. If you are interested, do follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. If you really feel our content is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you enjoyed our video, give it a thumbs up button and share it with your friends, whoever is interested to study in SRM Masters in Public Health program. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if it's helpful for you. Take care, stay safe, stay home. See you all tomorrow with another video.